Hey everyone, I am Ishika Vaswani and along with my team Anuj, Agrim and Naman, we built Iter AI, an AI powered coding mentor and failure coach. Most AI tools today just give answers, but they don't actually help you improve over time. So with Iter AI, we focused on creating something that helps you practice, gives feedback, actually guides your learning journey like a real mentor, remembers your past mistakes and guides you.
So now I'll be moving to the website. So this is the login page for the website. I'll be putting my credentials over here. So this is my putting my Gmail ID. I'll be putting my password. I'll clicking on sign in. So there's a home page where here I can chat with the chatbot. Is the practice and is the dashboard. So I'll put a hi to the chatbot here. So here you can see it's giving a very generous reply saying I am IterAI, how can I help you today? So I'll ask him that I want to learn Python today. So you can see it's giving the reply like Python is a beginner friendly language and all. So today I want to learn loops. So I'll ask him teach me loops. So here you can see it's giving a very logical reply like loops are used to repeat a block of code multiple times, and here is giving a very normal example of for loop and while loop. So that's all for the chatbot.
So now we'll move on to the practice mode. Here we can see that there are three drop-down menus in which we can first choose the language we want to practice in, the topics we need to practice in, and the difficulty level, that is beginner, intermediate and advanced. So for the basic and syntax, we'll choose a challenge. Here we can generate multiple challenges every time a new challenge generates. Suppose we code here print a plus b. We can execute the code here and we'll get the output here. We can see the status is completed. This button here gives the feedback for every problem we write. Suppose we move on to a different topic, that is loops. We generate a new challenge. We get a looping challenge. We'll code for that. Print I. We can run and we can see the output and we can get the AI feedback also.
Let's move to the dashboard now. As we can see on the dashboard, the number of streaks has been seen over here. How many days a user has been entered in our websites or he has been practiced, we can visible over here. And how many questions he has solved is also visible over here. Recently, we solved two questions. In that, one was correct and one was halfly correct, where the syntax was correct and the some errors are there. That's why it increased by 17%, and we can see 67% over here. Along with that, the graph is also visible, and the bar graph where the how many topics he has been covered and see our critical weak points where the user can see his weak topics if he goes below 40%. And along with that, in our insight cloud we can see the data of the users where he solved how many questions and what are the types that questions belongs to. Here is the data, and along with that we can see the graph view of the users. That's all for the insight and the dashboard.
This is all about our website, Iter AI. In the end, Iter AI is not just about solving problems, it is about improving how you learn over time. By combining dashboard tracking with hindsight memory, the system adapts to each user's mistakes and progress. This makes learning more personalized and effective. Iter AI, your failure coach that turns mistakes into progress. Thank you.